video.
Dude, you got a camera. Nice.
Yeah.
They've been rallying. Dude, we got out here. I was like, we're all going to Kmart to rally. Oh shit, look at Luke.
Holy shit, he's hauling. Oh, fuck.
Tell me, let's see this. I gotta see it.
Oh, just too many people at once. We need to get back in. We need to get back in.
Dude, look at Steven.
Luke is fucking hauling. I want to get in with Luke.
No shit, dude, look at him go. That is tight. Oh! That thing's all the way dry.
Yeah.
It's super